Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to repair Microsoft Office 2021 if it's not working properly. So if it's stuck, it's freezing, and maybe Word documents, spreadsheets, or PowerPoint presentations are not loading or rendering properly. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the application. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in apps and features. Best result should go back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. And in the apps list field, you want to go ahead and type in Office. Best result should go back with Microsoft Office. Go ahead and select the three-dot icon next to it and select the Modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. It's going to ask, how would you like to repair your Office programs? We're going to start with the Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. And select Repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you won't be able to use your Office programs until we're done. Go ahead and select Repair. Give this a couple minutes to run here. Okay, so this says done repairing. We finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. Select Close. I would attempt to relaunch whatever program specifically you're having the problem with. And if you're still having an issue, you can attempt that online repair as well. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.